It's rainy season in the mountains. You can probably hear the thunder in the distance. But I figured I'd zoom in where you can see the clouds moving. It's coming from San Jose area. But it's going up the mountain. There's Poas back there, under all the clouds. Let's see if that camera will pick it up. So you can see it moving through the trees. And no, this is not from the hurricane. We're not in an island. We're in the middle of Central America, way far away from the hurricane. But it's the beginning of rainy season here, where it's going to start raining every day, getting thunderstorms every day. So we just went ahead and unplugged things. But yeah, we will be surrounded in clouds soon. So I'll upload this video later. Bye.